Hi everyone! Today we're going to study 2-point perspective. Hopefully you've already seen the video on 1-point perspective and you will notice this one is quite similar. So, as we did last time, let's begin drawing the horizon. That's the horizon. And probably you remember that last time there was only one vanishing point, but in this case there are going to be two vanishing points. So let's put them one here and one here. This is going to be vanishing point 1 and this is going to be vanishing point 2. Last time I told you that in order to draw cubes we needed vertical lines, horizontal lines and lines going to the vanishing point. But in this case, we're only going to use vertical lines and lines going to vanishing point 1 and lines going to vanishing point 2. So let's begin with a vertical line here. And it's very simple. From the top, I'm going to trace a line to vanishing point 2 and a line to vanishing point 1. Now from the bottom point, the same, one line going to vanishing point 2 and another one to vanishing point 1. Now I'm gonna trace a vertical line over here, for example. And from the top, again I need one point going to vanishing point 1, which I already have, as you see here, and another line going to vanishing point 2, which is the one I don't have yet, so let's make it. And probably you can already see that I need another vertical line here. Make sure it is vertical and not diagonal. And again, one line going to vanishing point 2, which I already have, and another one going to vanishing point 1. And that's finished. Here I already have my cube. Let's make one more example. Vertical line first. Now from the top, line to both vanishing points. From the bottom, two lines. And once again, one vertical line here, for example. Again, from this side, I need one line to vanishing point 2. Vertical line here. And again, from here I need a line to vanishing point 1 to complete my cube or my box. As you see, my eyes are here, so as this box is lower, I can see the top of this box, but as this box is higher, I can see the bottom of the box. And as we did last time, let's imagine there is a source of light over here, for example. So we're gonna shade this box. Obviously, this side would be very dark, this one is gonna be a little bit brighter, and this one even brighter. So let's go. Okay, so that's all. Try to make something like this. Obviously shade both boxes if you can. And probably you are wondering what happens if we make a vertical line here and we try to draw these boxes. Check it out and tell me what you get. Do you think that's possible? It's not? We'll see. Bye bye!